Come on! Hustle!
The ball! Go!
Remember the running! Run fast!
Go! Get in there, Gray! Get in front of the goal, someone! You're all going for the ball. Great. Good positioning, Hamish. You guys, get in position, not follow the ball.
What's this? A brain sucker. What's it doing?
Great.
Sleeping.
Starving to death.
Turn around, Gray. Cover a player, you guys. Spread out.
Silly joke.
Get it back in there. Follow it in, you guys. Follow it. Again, Nathan. Good.
Yeah, handball. No such thing as handball in the game of soccer.
That's American football.
Okay, spread out. Hamish,
That's the other
towards
football.
The goal. Tillman, towards the goal. Follow it.
Follow, move, guys.
Follow it.
Get forward, Hamish.
Hamish, towards the goal, not the ball.
Get towards the goal, Hamish.
Tillman, move towards the goal.
See, it's good position, but...
They're all playing the ball.
Guys, play your position. Hamish, get forward. Oh, that would have been a cracker.
Watch your teammates. They're all heading for the ball.
Yeah.
Nobody's in a position to score. You want to be in a position to score, not go for the ball.
Good.
Stay on it. Elliot, challenge it.
Use your arms for speed.
Come on, Matt.
Move back, Nathan. You're going to be the last line of defense. Offside, go.
Pressure.
Come on, Matt.
God, they're doing...
Talk to your keeper. Follow it, Nathan. It's yours. Good. Keep it. You take it down. Nice. Follow it. You guys.
Fast. Use your arms. Get forward. Hamish, get forward.
Hamish, forward. Evan.
Use your arms. Run fast.
Come on.
Evan, center forward, towards the goal. Towards the goal. Don't worry about the ball. He'll get it to you. Start moving, you guys, as soon as he kicks it. Don't wait for it to land. Good, Tillman. Nice. Follow it. That's yours, Evan.
That's all yours.
Great. Towards
Go.
the goal. Towards the goal. Okay, don't go. Evan, you're forward. So quit the... You're center forward. There is no center mid. That's the problem. Let's go, let's go.
Okay. Come on, Gray. Gray, quick. Come on, you're fast. Get in a good position, Gray.
Take the shot. Just follow it in, Gray. Mark, get in there. Stay on him.
Oh, I forgot we took shots.
Yeah.
Good. Follow it. Follow it, you guys. Follow it. That's yours. You had room. Don't stop, Matthew. It's yours. Talk to your keeper.
Oh, get it out. Get it out of there.
Take it out. There you go. Follow it. Get on it, Evan.
Great.
Are you putting this on?
Did Hamish not come out?
Of course.
Somebody cover the middle.
Cover.
Nice. Talk to him. Run out. Run out. Okay, good. Run out as far as you can. Go, Tillman, it's yours. Nice. Nice. Go, Andrew. Mark, towards the goal. Towards the goal. Good, good. Stay there, Mark.
Keep with it.
Center it. Center it. There it is, you guys.
Good. That was a really good pass.
Good. Get
Oh,
back in there.
great work. Oh. Hey, Riley.
Gray, you're a forward. Don't fight with your midfielders over the ball.
Back up. Right over your head.
Andrew, you're a forward. Stay to the forward. Your position. Center forward. Mark B. More towards that side. Stay open. Cut him off, Nathan.
Don't stop, Nathan.
Good. Get it. Turn it out. Nice, Evan. Follow it, Matthew. Get on him. Nice. Stay in your position.
Far forward, as far forward as you can, Hamish.
As forward as you can. Okay, follow it. Follow it. Somebody help him. Cut it off, Nathan. Good.
See, playing really good.
Ellie,
Playing
when we
really
go back
good.
in, where do you want to be? Let's see, where do we have you the first part? You were a defender. What do you want to play? You like defenders? Okay. Has Matthew been, we're going to switch you with Matthew, then you're going to be with this side defender. Left defender.
Get ready, Gray. It's yours. Gray, get forward. Get forward,
forward, Gray.
Don't fight.
Forward. Mark, stay open, Mark.
God,
Mark's
good work.
open. Okay. Get it back in there. Nice, nice. Towards the goal, Mark, not the ball. Good. Nice listening. Perfect, Gray. Nice, Tillman. Stay on it. Get it centered.
Keep forward.
Move towards the goal, you guys. You're bunched up.
Gray,
Andrew,
go for a
towards
shot,
the-
Gray.
Go, go, go. Back him up, Evan. Nice.
Yep, Gray's paying attention to that arm thing about running.
Quickly, get it in play. Evan's open, Gray. Go. Go.
Go,
Take it
Gray,
in.
get in
Take it
position.
Take it, Evan.
Gray, get over. Get over.
Get open, Gray. Nice try, Evan. Turn around. Look at the ball. Tillman, turn around. Good, good.
Get it,
Oh,
Tillman.
nice,
Get it.
Tillman. Away from the goal. Away from the goal.
Away.
Turn it away.
Hamish, get it.
Nice.
Good.
Good, Nathan. Turn it the other direction next time. Go. Okay, somebody follow it. Don't wait for it to land. Charge the ball, Matthew. Charge the ball. Who took that shot?
Number 10.
10. Don't know where that is.
Good.
But he's really good
You guys
too.
are holding him.
See, Riley number 10, Riley's number 3, they're really playing off each other really well.
Keep it out of the center. Good. Follow it. Follow it. Go, Devin. You're faster. Go.
Don't let him get by you, Matt. There you go, Matt.
Nice, Nathan.
Oh, jeez, Nathan's great.
Wait, don't run at the ball, Tillman. Stay right there. Matthew, stay to your side. Nice.
Jeez.
Our stopper. That's why we keep him there. That's where I keep my daughter on her team.
Yeah.
She's blocked.